Hello. Welcome to the podcast. This is Daily English Practice. We learn English slowly here. I am Rena. I am your teacher today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Michael.
Michael is learning English. He is learning with you.
Yes, I am learning too.
This podcast is for beginners, complete beginners. We speak slowly. We use simple words. We take our time.
That's good. I like that.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen. Sometimes I will say, "Now you try." That is for you, the listener, not for Michael.
Yes, I will just listen and react.
Perfect. Let's begin. When we meet someone, we start with a greeting. A greeting is very simple. We say hello, or we say hi.
That feels easy.
Yes, very easy. Hello is polite. Hi is friendly. You can use both. Listen. Hello. Hi. Now, listener, you try. Say it slowly. Good. After hello, we often ask a question. We say, "How are you?"
I hear that a lot.
Yes, it is very common. How are you means, how do you feel? Listen again. Hello, how are you? Now, listener try. Nice! When someone asks, "How are you?" we answer. We don't need long answers. We can say, "I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay."
So short answers are okay?
Yes, short is perfect. Listen, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. Now, listener, choose one. Say it. Good job. Then we are polite. We say, "Thank you."
Always polite.
Yes. And sometimes we ask back, "How about you?" Listen, I'm good. Thank you. How about you? Now, listener, try the full answer. Excellent. Now, let's talk about names. This is very important. We say, "My name is..." Listen, my name is Rena.
Very clear.
We can also say, "I am." I am Rena. Both are correct.
Good to know.
Now, listener, it's your turn. Say, "My name is." Nice. Sometimes people ask, "What is your name?" Listen, what is your name? You answer with your name. Now, listener, answer. Now, let's talk about origin. We ask, "Where are you from?"
I hear that question often.
Yes, very common. Listen, where are you from? We answer, I am from Indonesia.
Simple structure.
Yes. Now, listener, answer. I am from. Next, we talk about where we live. We say, I live in. I live in a big city. A city is busy. Many people. Many cars.
Sounds noisy.
Yes, very busy. Some people live in a town. A town is smaller, more quiet. Michael, you live in a town, right?
Yes, a small town.
Listener, now you. Say, I live in a city. Or, I live in a town. Now let's talk about home. We live in a house, or we live in an apartment. I live in a house. A house is one building.
With doors and windows.
Yes, Michael lives in an apartment.
Yes, One room in a big building.
Exactly. Listener, now you. Say, I live in a house. Or, I live in an apartment. Now let's talk more about home. Home is a very common topic. People often ask, where do you live?
Yes, I hear that question a lot.
We answer with a simple sentence. I live in a house. Or, I live in an apartment. I live in a house. My house is in the city.
Is it a big house?
Not very big, but it is comfortable. Comfortable means good to live in.
I like that word. Comfortable.
Good. Michael lives in an apartment.
Yes, my apartment is small, but nice.
That is okay. Small is fine. Many people live in apartments. Listener, now think about your home. Where do you live? Say it slowly. Good. Now think again. Is your home big or small? You can say, my home is big, or my home is small. Now let's talk more about age. Age is a common question. People ask, how old are you? This question is normal.
Sometimes I feel shy.
That's okay. You can answer simply, I am 30 years old. Or even shorter, I'm 30.
Oh, that's easier.
Yes, English likes short answers. I'm 35. That is enough. Listener, now you. Say your age. Good. Now listen. Age uses numbers. Numbers are very important in English. We use numbers for age, for time, for money.
So numbers are everywhere.
Yes, everywhere. Now let's talk more about jobs and study. People often ask, what do you do?
Yes, that question feels important.
It is. I answer, I am a teacher. I teach English.
That's clear.
Michael is learning English, so he can say, I am a student.
Yes, that feels natural.
You can also say, I am learning English. That is a very good sentence. Listener, now you. What do you do? Say one sentence. Good. It's okay if you don't work. You can say, I am a student. Or, I am learning English. Now let's talk more about family. Family is important, but we keep it simple. I have one sister. She is kind.
Kind means nice?
Yes, kind means nice and good. Michael has brothers.
Yes, 2 brothers.
Listener, now think. Do you have a big family or a small family? You can say, I have one brother. I have 2 sisters. I don't have brothers or sisters. Now let's talk more about pets. Pets are animals at home. Many people love pets.
Yes, pets feel like family.
That's true. I have a dog. My dog is friendly.
Friendly dogs are nice.
Michael has a cat.
Yes, she is quiet.
So your cat matches your town.
Yes, quiet cat, quiet town.
Listener, now you. Do you have a pet? If yes, say the animal. If no, say, I don't have a pet. Now let's talk more about likes. Likes show personality. I like coffee. I drink coffee in the morning.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. I also like reading. Reading helps me relax.
I like music.
Music is a very common answer. Listener, now you. What do you like? Food? Music? A hobby? Say one thing. Nice. Now dislikes. Dislikes are also okay. We say, I don't like. I don't like loud noise.
That's very clear.
Yes. Michael doesn't like rain.
Yes, it makes me feel tired.
That's honest. Listener, now you. Say one thing you don't like. Good. Now, let's make a longer introduction. Listen carefully. Hello. My name is Rina. I am from Indonesia. I live in a big city. I live in a house. The city is busy, but I like it. I am 35 years old. I am a teacher. I teach English. I have one sister. I have a dog. My dog is friendly. I like coffee and reading. I don't like loud noise.
Wow, I think I can fully introduce myself to people now. Let's try. My turn. My name is Michael. I am from Canada. I live in a small town. I live in an apartment. The town is quiet and I like it. I am 30 years old. I am a learner. I am learning English. I have 2 brothers. I have a cat. My cat is quiet. I like pizza and music. I don't like rain.
You're doing an amazing job, Michael. Now, listener, this is your moment. Take a breath. Speak slowly. Say your introduction. Let's review everything. We learned greetings.
Hello? How are you?
We learned names.
My name is...
We learned origin.
I am from...
We learned home.
City or town? House or apartment?
We learned age.
I am 30 years old.
We learned jobs and study.
You are a teacher. I am a student.
We learned family and pets.
I have a sister. I have a dog.
We learned likes and dislikes.
I like... I don't like. Whew, that's a lot, but it feels connected.
Yes, English is about connection. Great job today. You did really well.
Yes, learning English step by step is possible.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to practice.
If this lesson helps you, please subscribe to this channel. We make English simple here.
We make English slow and clear. New English lessons are coming soon.
So stay with us
Practice today, practice tomorrow.
and enjoy learning English.
See you in the next lesson.